English conversation at workplace. Scene 1. Morning conversation between two colleagues. Good morning, Priya. Good morning, Amit. How was your weekend? It was relaxing. I just stay home and watch some movies. What about you? I went to visit my grandparents. It was refreshing. Scene 2. Work discussion. By the way, have you completed the presentation for today's meeting? Yes, I finished it last night. I will send it to you for review. Great. Let me know if you need any help. Sure. Thank you. Scene 3. Boss enters. Good morning, team. Are we ready for the 11 a.m. meeting? Good morning, sir. Yes, we are almost ready. We are just finalized the last few slides. Scene 4. Wrapping up the day. It was a productive day. Yes, I will finish the report and send it by tonight. Alright, see you tomorrow. Take care. You too. Good night. If you find this video informative, then please give a like and subscribe my channel to learn more English.